breakfast, Peg.
Yeah, I see bacon. I see ham. I see steak. Sausage! Where's my sausage? Ain't no sausage!
Well, Cotton, you are welcome to march yourself down to the Safeway, but I have to get ready for work.
See, Bobby? Woman works, man loses his sausage.
You know, Cotton, I'd love to debate this with you, but I am just a little too busy living here in the latter half of the 20th century.
Hey, Dad, if you want to drive Bobby to school, use my truck. I'll go rig up your pedal extenders.
You're all skin and bones, girlie. Put some corn pone on them heads.
I don't want any grandpa hell. Don't want to get fat.
That's not for you to worry about. You will never know if you are attractive. It's up to a man to tell you that. You keep eating, and I'll tell you when to stop.
Touch me again and you'll be wearing that corn pone, old man.
Hey! Faster!
You sure it's okay for me to be out of school today, Grandpa?
Oh, yeah, it's a holiday, isn't it? It's Angie.